my first adventure with Sailsquare, and here we are in Cuba. On my way back to the airport, thoughtful. I've just left the crew, and I've never thought that it would be so hard to say goodbye. But how did we get there? We were just strangers. In 1 week, we've learned to know each other, to live together and to share. Step by step, we've created affinities, and from strangers we've become friends. Everybody has his habits on board, from meditation to reading, from exercise to sailing lessons, from fishing to cooking, from cocktails to dance. In idyllic places completely out of touch with reality, we were playing pirates attempting to conquer the world, collecting unbelievable adventures. Between land and sea, we were exploring more than we ever did before. Jumping into this turquoise water, swimming with rays and starfish, relaxing on beaches as beautiful as a postal card, witnesses wonderful sunsets. That was our routine. However, what I will remember from that first adventure, it's not the landscape, no, it's the human connection. Because after all, happiness is only real when shared.